Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. What we're offering here at no reserve is a 78 or 80 Z1R tail section. Now it's kind of gooned. You got an extra hole right here. And if you look right here, this is where the seat strip goes in. That's nice here, but it's gooned right here. This is missing. Then if we come to the back, it's been cut. This came from a 74 Z1 drag bike. But these are definitely genuine Kawasaki Z1R parts. Underneath is pretty cool. Structurally, it's tough. This would be good for a cafe racer or something or whatever. But anyway, this is missing. This is gooned. And you got an extra hole. All right. We're going to sell it at $9.95. No reserve on eBay. Thanks.